What's up, people? Hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to our video tutorials on how to create amazing AI chatbots on our Chatbot Builder platform. In the previous video, I showed you what you can do in case your chatbot messages are not pulling up on your Facebook Messenger. Alright, so in this video, we're gonna see something you can do in case your chatbot messages are not pulling up on the web. Alright, so let's say we want to test this bot on the web. We're gonna click on the three dots, gonna copy the link. I'm gonna copy this link right here, gonna go over here, and your welcome message should pull up first, right? Because we have the welcome message set up. Now, in case you notice that nothing is pulling up, all right, what you want to do is you want to first go over to your settings. Okay, we want to go over to our channels. I want to go over to web chatbot, click manage. Okay, click right over here and make sure that you have your AI welcome message, or whichever welcome message you use, make sure that is checked, and then you hit save. Okay, so if you're using a welcome message, again, make sure that you have it checked. If not, if it's set to none, it's very likely that when you try to test the bot, nothing is gonna pull up. Okay, you're gonna see a blank space, and that's not what you want. Okay, so if you are using a welcome message, please make sure that that welcome message is checked this way. Okay, and then hit save. I always encourage you to have a welcome message, and also it's best if you use an AI welcome message. You can create your own welcome message if you want to, but I recommend you use an AI welcome message. Watch the previous video on how to set up your own AI welcome message. Very, very simple. Okay, all right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.